Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today. You have seen me pin this bed, you've seen me pin the room. I finally got everything I need to decorate this room. So if you like Autumn, decorate with me, you are in the right place. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
Okay, friends, so the room is all done, and I'm just going to show you a few things and let you know where I picked them up from. If you are not my friend here on YouTube, please consider being my friend. And now all you have to do is hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. As you can see the picture on the wall, so I picked out those two pictures from Marshall. I when I saw this picture, I knew it would be perfect in this space because the wall is pink, but the pink is very light. This is a beige pink. It's called from Sherry Williams. And so I felt like, bringing something that kind of have that pop of color just to bring out the wall a little bit and have something to look at in here will be really, really great. So when I saw those two pictures, I thought it would fit perfectly over the bed. I picked this out from Nordstrom Rack, and I also picked this out from Nordstrom Rack. I thought this was really, really pretty. So I got it. That was only one. I wish they had two, but it was just one. So for now, we will just work with it. This pillow, I picked it up from At Home. She have had this in her room for a while now. Yep, and I just got her doll. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And oh, there's one thing I forget to put on here, but I will show you. So this I got from Macy's. They were on sale. I got this for I think $29.99. This basket I got from Home Goods, and it's just something to put hot oil or whatever in there. So it's just there. The mirror I pick up from Ashley Furniture Store, and this bean bag I got from Macy's. It's a really fun bag. So when she's in here, don't want to sleep, just taking a nap or relaxing, she can sit in here, or I can come in here and sit here, and we can read before bed. And when I enter a space and it doesn't smell good, it's just like, I don't want to be in there. So I always have these in our house. I like one that is not so strong because I have people with allergies. So this I pick up from Target. I think it has mint. Oh, I have to look at the bags and see what's all in it. And I just talked to her that it's to make her room smells good. She shouldn't put it in her mouth. And I would not recommend putting something like that in a kid's room. I know my daughter, she's like, you tell her something, she listens, especially when it comes to things like this. She listens, she curious, but she really keeps her hand off on things like this, especially when it comes to what she's putting in her mouth. So for that, I know, and I feel confident and comfortable with putting something like this in her room by her bedside, because I know she's not going to put it in her mouth. The worst that could happen is that it could spill on the floor, and if it spill on the floor, I'm fine with that because it will just make the room smells good. But I am confident that she will not put it in her mouth. And so I got these two books there for bedtime story time. Clock, she's been wanting a clock in her room forever. I saw this picture frame, it was so pretty. I grabbed it. I need to find a picture to put in there. Unfortunately, all the picture we have, nothing fit in here because they're a little too big. So I need to go and print some picture. And I got this lamp from Home Goods. When I saw it, I'm like, ooh, I have to get it. I got two, but one did not make it. It broke. So that's the one we have. So that's her little nightstand. There's a basket over there for, again, maybe we can put more books in there, but that's what it looks like. And I just put her piggy bank just right on the floor where she can see it. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Have a blessed week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.